I'm Rob Crossland, Chief Executive and Founder of the Optionis Group. I started as a software tester in the IT industry and became a contractor doing those types of roles. And as a contractor, I had an experience and an exposure to how you had to trade. I myself had a small limited company at that time, but recognised that with my then accountant, it was quite onerous and complex to do. I just wanted to test software, which I know is a bit sad, but that's what I wanted to do, rather than worry about VAT returns, corporation tax, and all of the rest of the stuff. So I looked at what was going on, spotted an opportunity to make that a lot easier for freelancers and contractors, and that's when Parasol with a colleague became live. The company was founded in 2000, and we've grown our revenue since that time from zero to about 320 million as a group. I'm probably most proud of the amount of people that we've been able to join on that journey. So we now have about 250 staff, and that's set to grow to about 350 in the next 12 months. We look after temporary workers in one part of our business. Contingent workers is another phrase that we use. So freelancers, anybody who's engaged on a project that needs a methodology of trading, we can look after them. We have a very large scale employment solution through the Parasol brand. And then we have another part of our business now, which is looking after SMEs. So we provide HR, payroll, tax, accounting, and potentially some other services in the SME space. We look after in any year about 20,000 independent contractors and freelancers, and we also have around about 4,000 or 5,000 SMEs. We have a big investment in our IT platforms. My background is in IT, so you won't be surprised by that. But nonetheless, we believe that IT can help us create scale and effective processes, and therefore by doing that we can spend our time focusing on the customer's problems and requirements rather than just pure service delivery. In 2004-05 we first got involved with Access through the payroll software, and then we also did our first major Access project in 2006, which was the Dimensions and Goldmine rollout. That enabled us to then focus our energy on the front end, e.g. customer portals on the web, with having a really good, solid industry standard platform in the back office. Private equity, I think, backs growth companies. So there's a combination of maintaining growth, but at the same time professionalising. It can be quite a challenge, therefore, to also adopt the professionalisms that private equity require. But we've been able to maintain both, fortunately. But I do think that private equity gives you a requirement to have a great deal of focus, which I think is a good thing. Ironically, some of the obstacles for business today are around many of the services that we provide. So the complexity of running a business, the bureaucracy and the regulation around that can be quite daunting for many small and medium-sized businesses that are trying to grow and develop. Sales and marketing is often the critical challenge in developing your business. I think we've had reasonable success, to say the least, in investing heavily in those areas. Access has worked tremendously well with us over the years, and we've been fortunate enough to engage with a number of people in the company at a number of different levels, senior through to junior, I guess. And through that consistency and sort of ability to keep delivering quite often complex challenges, we've been able to grow our business and succeed. So we're very grateful for that, and I really pay a lot of respect and testament to that continuity and consistency. It's quite impressive. We're very excited about what we can do in the future. We believe that our combination of products and services in the contingent workforce space are relatively unique, and there's more we can do there to deploy our services to help end clients and recruitment businesses get the best possible value out of using temporary workers. We're very excited too about our ability to deploy unique one-stop services actually to a small business in the UK. And I think, being able to do these things really is fundamentally about who and what we are, which is helping people, get on and do business effectively.